Introducing the Sync 2 Traveler Multi-Tool, which is like walking with a hardware store in your pocket. The innovative survival gear is small in size, meaning it can be easily carried wherever you go. The tool contains a bottle opener, scissors, pliers, wire cutters, and screwdrivers. It's designed to handle several tasks and is an ideal solution for you if you want to go camping or are a DIY enthusiast. Its robust design ensures long-lasting performance, and the included clip allows for convenient attachment to your gear or belt. From cutting rope and opening cans to fixing equipment and performing essential tasks, the Sync 2 Traveler Multi-Tool is a reliable companion that will enhance your preparedness and survival capabilities. So get one of these essential tools for survival and be ready for anything that comes your way. We have plenty of multi-tools ahead that are both easy to carry around and much more compact than this one. This is not your ordinary hiking stick, as it comes with a ton of features. This walking stick is crafted from high-quality, durable materials such as lightweight yet sturdy aluminum or reinforced carbon fiber, ensuring reliability in various outdoor environments. Its ergonomic design includes a comfortable grip and an adjustable height feature to accommodate users of different sizes. However, what makes this unique is that it features additional hidden components, such as a compass, a hidden blade, a wire saw, fishing gear, and a tinder compartment for fire starting. Whether you're hiking, camping, or navigating through rugged terrain, the Tactical Survival Walking Stick is a reliable companion that enhances your stability, self-defense capabilities, and overall preparedness. Our next item is something even the Vikings would have loved owning. You'll love it too if you're out in the woods quite often. This is an all-in-one axe that's built for survivors, hikers, and adventurists. This tactical tool is well crafted with high-quality materials like durable stainless steel or carbon steel, ensuring its strength and durability. Its unique design features a sharp blade on one side for cutting and chopping tasks, while the opposite end is equipped with a hammerhead for pounding, prying, and breaking through obstacles. The blade is sharp enough to cut through the toughest materials outside, making it the ideal gadget to own if you're out there in the woods. It also comes with a sheath made of nylon material and a belt, making carrying the tomahawk much easier. Whether you need to breach doors, chop firewood, or defend yourself in self-defense, the Tactical Hammer Tomahawk is a reliable tool you would love to have. This might be the strongest item on the list, but definitely not the smartest. We have some mesmerizing equipment coming ahead, so keep watching. The CRKT Pry Bar Pocket Tool is the size of a USB, but comes in handy, as it solves a number of problems. It comes with a built-in pry bar, which helps in opening stubborn lid boxes. The pry bar also features a flathead screwdriver tip, a pry tip, and a bottle opener, providing essential tools for everyday tasks and minor repairs. Crafted with high-quality materials such as stainless steel, this pocket tool is designed to be durable and reliable. Its ergonomic shape and textured grip ensure comfortable handling and enhanced control. One of the best features of the mini tool is its compact size, as you can literally just keep it in your pocket and use it when you feel like it. Some people might feel like they might lose something when they're carrying it in their pocket. Well, our next tool can be easily stored in your wallet, and it does even more than this one. So let's get into it. The Universal 30 Credit Card Multi-Tool is a versatile and compact tool that combines the functionality of multiple tools into a single credit card-sized package. Designed to fit conveniently in your wallet, this multi-tool is always within reach whenever you need it. Despite its slim profile and thickness of only 2 mm, it boasts an impressive array of 30 different tools and functions, including various screwdrivers, wrenches, a bottle opener, a can opener, a ruler, a knife, and a glass which you can use to call for help. Whether you find yourself in need of a quick repair, opening a bottle, or measuring something on the go, this multi-tool's got you covered. Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to withstand everyday use and provide long-lasting performance. The Universal 30 Credit Card Multi-Tool is an essential companion for those who value convenience, practicality, and preparedness in their daily lives. We have another credit card-sized gem coming ahead, which is even better than this one, and can even store your cards. The Tech Lock is a flexible belt attachment system designed to carry different tools and accessories safely and easily. It's often utilized in the world of tactical and outdoor gear, enabling users to quickly connect equipment like knives, holsters, and sheaths to their belts or mold-compatible gear. It's designed to carry belts ranging from 1.25 to 2.25 inches, which makes it compatible with any belt there is. The tech lock has a locking mechanism that offers a trustworthy grasp and prevents unintentional disconnection during any activity. It's designed to endure the severities of demanding situations since it's made of sturdy materials, including metals and polymers. The tech lock offers a flexible and trustworthy option for carrying your necessary tools and equipment, whether you're a member of police enforcement, a military operator, or an outdoor enthusiast. These are not your average shears, as they're made to be used in the toughest conditions. The Parashears have a sturdy structure and high-quality stainless steel blades that can easily handle challenging cutting operations. They were designed with accuracy and durability in mind. The integrated sheath knife has a sharp edge for accurate cutting and slicing, and the blade-specific notch makes wire cutting fast and easy. The ergonomic handles provide a secure grip and enable simple operation. The Parashears also include a number of other functions that improve their use in emergency circumstances, including a glass breaker, a bottle opener, and several hex wrenches. They are a must-have tool for people who work in the medical and emergency industry, as it offers smooth cutting and reliable performance every time. As we move into the top 5, we have some of the best tools coming up, including a multi-tool the size of a keychain. If you're someone who likes to go out in the woods and loves adventures, then you know that one of the most difficult tasks outdoors is to start a fire, especially when you have no lighter. This unique device gets rid of that tension and makes lighting fires a breeze. It opens up and concentrates the sun's rays into a focal point, where you can attach your material to light up. The device is ultralight and compact, meaning it can easily fit into your pocket. It requires no fuel and no charging, and is just a remarkable idea that's also been made water and windproof. All you need to do is open up the case and build a great fire. Well, if you're going camping, then you'll definitely fancy having the next survival tool, which you can easily store in your wallet. This unique credit card holder can hold cards, but that's not why you're buying this. The Jackfish Survival Credit Card comes with a number of essential features. It has a knife, a compass, a whistle, a tiny screwdriver set, a fire starting kit, a fishing hook and line, and even a compartment for minor goods like prescriptions or emergency cash. This multifunctional tool is made of long-lasting materials like stainless steel or titanium, ensuring its durability and dependability. Whether you're in a survival emergency, need small repairs, or just need some basic outdoor equipment, the Jackfish Survival Credit Card has you covered. It's a useful and handy addition to any adventurer's or prepper's arsenal. It comes in 4 different colors, and you can always look a bit classy owning this unique card holder. Some individuals like writing when they're exploring the outdoors or engaging in other activities. Your paper getting wet from rain or water is one issue you could have. Well, this next notebook also finds a solution to that issue. As the name suggests, this company provides great water-resistant equipment which you can carry anywhere. This notebook is specially designed to repel water, allowing you to write and document information even in rain, snow, or other wet environments. Whether you're working outdoors, conducting field research, or participating in outdoor activities, Write in the Rain Notebook provides a reliable solution for recording data, notes, or sketches. The paper is durable and resistant to tearing, and the ink or pencil marks remain legible even when exposed to water. With this notebook, you can draw, sketch, or pen down your thoughts whenever you want. Fancy a multi-tool as small as a keychain? The original Mac 5 SOG knife served as the inspiration for the slim and functional multi-tool known as the SOG Mac 5 tool. This useful tool is designed to be carried about often and has a lot of features packed into a little space. It has a sleek and practical appearance and is built of dependable stainless steel. A pry bar, a bottle opener, a tiny flathead screwdriver, a big flathead screwdriver, a 1/4 inch hex bit driver, a cable cutter, and a ruler are among the many tools included with the Mac 5 tool. With a length of 2.5 inches and weighing in at 0.6 ounces, this multi-purpose tool is simple to attach to a keychain or lanyard, so you always have access to it when you need it. At number 1, we have another multi-tool that every hiker, camper, or adventurist would love to own. The Baton Q2 Multi-Tool by SOG is a sleek and compact tool designed for everyday carry and versatility. This innovative multi-tool is crafted with high-quality materials, and it includes tools such as pliers, wire cutters, a straight-edge blade, a bottle opener, a medium flathead screwdriver, and a small flathead screwdriver. Despite its compact size, the Baton Q2 is built to be durable and reliable, ensuring it can withstand regular use. Its pocket-friendly design and clip make it easy to carry and access when needed, as it can be folded to look like a pen or a flash drive, which can be easily hung to your belt or kept in your pocket. Whether you need to tighten a screw, cut a wire, open a bottle, or perform other everyday tasks, the Baton Q2 multi-tool is a handy and versatile tool that won't weigh you down.